In this video, I will show you how to add people on Discord. First of all, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, if you want to add someone in your server, then all you want to do is tap on your server icon. Now you want to tap on this plus icon right here. This will open up the invite a friend box. Now you can simply tap on the share invite option or copy this link, use the QR, message, email or messenger, or if you have friends over here, you can simply tap on the invite option. In this way, you can add friends on your server. If you want to generally add friends in your Discord account, then you want to tap on the U icon. Now you want to tap on the friends option. Here tap on add friends. Now tap on the add by username option. Go ahead and enter the username of your friend. Then you can tap on the send friend request option. In this way, you can easily add people on Discord. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.